Welcome to our next adventure, the Whimsical Quest, Rescuing the Kingdom. Did you know when there is a book, there is always an adventure? With STEM Camp, learning will never be the same anymore. Fun learning integrated with STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, design thinking, and also computational thinking. These might be big and new words for the children, but in this STEM camp, we simplify everything for them. There are 9 exciting activities to try. Vroom vroom, away you go! Speedy car is powered by air pressure. Your children will learn about air pressure by exploring with the syringe and applying the measuring skill through this activity. Your children will be handling specimens when making sparkling crystal and learn briefly how crystallization occurs. Hey, did you know that handling specimen is one of the many scientific skills that we have? Look how far the foam ball goes with polysling. This happens due to the elasticity of the rubber band. Your children will be able to hypothesize what happens when the sling is pulled further. The horse leaps up and down when being pushed. This is because of the magnet. Your children will learn about magnets and apply the classifying skill in this activity later on. What are you waiting for? Let's hero up to go for a thrilling adventure to save the world with Alfa and his friends.